What is up, YouTube fam? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, go ahead and click that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you get notifications whenever I post. And if you already subscribed, what's poppin'? So today we're going to be doing a video on a wig because I went wig shopping. I haven't worn a wig in... It's been a minute. Like, I may have pictures of me wearing a wig, but I definitely haven't worn a wig daily and forever. So let's just get right into it. If you guys see me looking down, it's because my mirror is right there and I gotta be able to see what I'm doing. So yeah, but anyways, this is the wig. Her name is Annabelle. She's from Outre. They say she's a lace front, but she's not. I mean, she got a little bit of lace front, but she don't got a whole lot of lace front. And she is in the color DR4 Golden Honey Melt. Okay, it comes with natural baby hairs. It's a crimp style. And she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. Get into it. So I've only seen the wig in the beauty supply store. I haven't seen it like out the package in my face on my own. So I get a first reaction. Y'all get a first reaction. But in the store it was cute. But in the store she was this color too. She wasn't a different color in the store. She was the same color when I went to the store and bought her. Alright. Oh, she long. Let me show y'all the stock card real quick. And she comes in an array of different colors. She comes in a golden covered chocolate, this color, a sienna copper, a black cherry, a honey brown, a cinnamon, and a salted caramel. Okay. Get into it. Wait. Get into it. She smells good. That's weird. But get into it. Alright, so... Oh, my stomach growling. Alright, so I'm going to take the net off, because you know all wigs come with the net. Now, as pretty as she is a synthetica. She's not one to be worn to bed. I mean, unless you don't sleep crazy. I don't wear my synthetics to bed. I try not to. Let's see. Alright. So this is her. She is gorgeous. And we gonna put her on. I've never had this color hair before. So do I know what it's going? That's a lie. I had a wig from Eunice that was similar to this color. Well, like up here, but it never this bright. But she cute. Well, let me take the stock card off, put my wig cap on, and I'll be right back. And no, I'm not doing the ball cap method because I'm taking this wig off after I'm done doing everything I gotta do with it on. And I don't have time for a ball cap. It's annoying. They give me headaches. So we'll be back when I'm ready to put her on. Alright, I'm back. I got my stocking cap on, wig cap, whatever you want to call it. She's on, okay? I was going to add some powder to it, but I don't want to put any product in my hair because my hair is clean. I just put it in twists. And I kind of don't want to put product in it. So I have some lace tint. Okay. If you know, you know. If you don't, you better get on to it. And I also have their Wonder Lace Bond Adhesive Spray. Extreme Firm Hold Supreme. Okay. Now, people call it Ibn, some people call it EB, and I don't know what you want to call it, but I'm using this today. And I got these from my beauty supply store. I didn't even cut the lace yet. I got on a wig head because I didn't want to ruin it. Alright. So, I'm just going to take some of that lace spray and tint the middle part because, well, y'all know why. Because I want my lace to look nice. Yeah, that's what I'm finna do. They say let it dry. I'm gonna hit it with a blow dryer. Alright. Let me roll my sleeves up. Already, before I even install this wig, she is just doing the most. I'm trying not to touch her so much, but it's like, it's hard not to touch it when you're trying to get like tangles and shit out. But they say it's HD lace. Whatever. I'm gonna cut the lace. I know most people like cut their lace while the wig is on their head. I can't do that. I'm not that much of a professional. I don't know, maybe try it out. But let's try the wig on, because it's been too long. Oh, yes, sir. So I stood up. Let me show you guys how long this hair is. If I could get any taller, I would. It's literally at my butt, okay? But yeah. Let's get into this hair. Alright, so let's get into the pros and cons of this wig, okay? Because there is some cons, of course, because she's synthetic. But it's not that bad. Like, I got a little tangle in here. There is no shedding like I thought it would be. Lie, it goes the hair. I probably can't see that. But the shedding isn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. And the tangling isn't as bad either. It's just with a synthetic wig, it's so long, especially at this length. So it says 36 inches on it. At this length, it's going to be like, what's what I'm looking for? It's going to happen. You can't avoid the inevitable. It's going to tangle at the end. That's just synthetic hair, and at that is blonde synthetic hair. So you know it's going to tangle. But all in all, I love this wig. I think it's cute. I like the color on me. You know, we have to lay down the hair. Need to lay down the lace real quick. But I think she's real pretty. She's gonna look good in some photos. I actually like this wig a lot. A lot. And the best part about it is, since she's so long, once the ends like start to get matted and stuff, I can just cut her and have a whole new wig. I can literally cut her right here. Right where y'all see it at. I can cut her right here and have a whole new wig. I can cut her even shorter and have a whole new wig. It don't matter. It's a synthetica, you know what I'm saying? But I hate wearing these things on my head because I feel like I can't hear myself. Does anybody else be feeling like that? Like when you get the scarf on, trying to like make sure your lace is down. It feels like you can't hear nothing. But I like this wig. I'm actually going to take some photos in it later on today. So that will be if it can withstand the test of time. Like if this is like a good little get up and go to the club type wig, or a throw on just for a picture wig. I'm going to come back and let you guys know, because we're going to push her to the limits, okay? We're going to find out if she can withstand the wind, okay? We're going to find out if she can withstand being tossed around in pictures. Like, we're going to see. She's so soft though. Like, this is probably one of the softest synthetic wigs I ever had in my life. But she long. I feel like Rapunzel in this bitch. But if you have made it this far and you have not hit the subscribe button, sis, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. And like I said before, I'll be back, so I'm not going to say peace, because I want to let you guys know how this hair holds up after I take pictures. So when I'm done taking pictures, I'll come back and we'll discuss how this wig held up. I'm going to take pictures at 6 o'clock, 6:30. It's only 3:27 right now. So I got some time to just chill around the house and do what I got to do. Pick out some outfits or whatever the case may be. So we're going to see if she can hold up through the test of time, like I said. And if she can, you guys will know when I come back. So go get your popcorn. Go get your drink. Because we going to... I am back home from taking pictures. Let's talk about this wig real quick. Let's chop it up. Okay, she held up for the performance. Granted, I didn't glue her down like the best of the best, so she's coming up. That's my fault. But like, barely any tangles. Like, she held all the way up. And I mean, I flipped her, tossed her around. She got tangles here and there, but sis, the good sis held up. She about to come off though, because but yeah, if you made it this far into this video and you have not subscribed, you already know what I'm gonna say. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the bell so you get notifications whenever I post. All right, and until next time, we out. Peace.